The tears are starting to shed. Raheem.
The tears are starting to shed. Oh.
Mama shedding tears again.
It'll push it in when it comes. We just gotta make sure it's not on that right there.
You still want to do everything.
You're really trying to hold back her tears in the car.
Back in the cage.
Oh, you're in front of the cage right now? She need help?
I think this is his one.
Y'all can make love, y'all. And now be careful, drive careful.
He ready, Raheem ready.
I started the crossover that Max will be the right so listen to that.
Bye-bye. You can't see the one attendant.
This how he was looking last time.
See you, man.
Alright, see you later.
See you, man. Bye, my boy. Bye-bye. See you later.
I guess Trayvon said he ain't gonna sleep on him.
He's shaking, y'all. He don't want to go.
Trayvon said, mess with Texas. See you later, Trayvon.
See you, Raheem.
See you later, Dave. Alright.
I don't know what next time we're gonna see y'all.
Well, next time you gonna see us? I don't know, Dave.
When you call Mama, don't call FaceTime her.
No, man, not no time soon. I go somewhere in February.
Where you going?
Probably some training, like Thursdays.
We be careful there. No, we love y'all and miss y'all.
We love miss you.
Feel free to call and check on them. We check on your chip finna fall out your pocket.
We appreciate the hospitality.
Y'all welcome anytime.
See this boy trying to hold back the tears as well.
You're already in there crying. She already crying.
You don't have time to stop out there. You ain't got time though now.
Probably like 2 in the morning, I think. Huh? Oh yeah, we're gonna stop now. Y'all gonna stop and go? Yeah, man. How much y'all make it home? Probably like 2 in the morning. When you gotta check in? Well, she has to go to work at 8:30 tomorrow sometime. 8:30 in the morning?
The tears.
What time you gotta check in?
Mama, I don't know what's going on with her.
See ya.
Alright, be
Matt.
safe.
She gotta hit that subway. She gotta hit that subway in the morning.
Alright. You got yours, yeah. Hand sanitizer and wipe. Alright.
It ain't that long now.
Get your mask, Raheem. Got your mask.
She got a Clorox wipe. She got a good expensive one. You can't find them all.
Today is Thursday, December the 3rd. And it's gonna be a house vlog today. We're gonna show you what we got as the house decor. You saw half of it on my last vlog, but this is a new vlog, a new day. We got this last year. You probably seen it on the vlog last year. Did we get this last year? We had it out last year, but we got it a couple years before that. So this is what it is. I bought this years by, way long time ago. It still works though. You probably saw this on the vlog, you probably didn't. But we have stockings hanging on our fireplace. This is an actual real fireplace that can be lit, if you want to know. Just got these today. We thought it'd be a good idea to put bowls on the lights. These lights light up. They actually look like candles. That deer, we had that for like years. I think we had it before Trayvon was even born. I don't know. The youngest was even born. Got Trayvon in the cut. He just came home from school an hour ago.
Yeah.
Had to teach him how to make cornbread earlier today.
No, I make the best.
Yeah, Polly over here. Oh, Lord. Mama has risen. The little town right here. I would have organized it better, but we had people from Texas organize this town. My little DIY right here on top of this cabinet with all the Christmas decorations. I've risen from her bed today.
I did not bed.
I don't know what she was doing.
I went to the actual school and everything.
I'm gonna show you outside decorations. Before we do the outside decorations, I have More decorations inside the house. You saw this on my last vlog when I was showing y'all the ornaments. We have this spray. This Snoopy. My mom loves Snoopy. Like, it's way too much, but she loves Snoopy. This right here we got from Dollar Tree. They had this, and they had the reindeer. I showed you that in my last vlog as well. In the Christmas decor vlog, we have these. These are Dollar Tree too. These are candle holders. We have the Noel with the tree on the back. The Merry Christmas with the tree. This Charlie Brown Christmas tree. You saw this on my last vlog as well. It's a twig of a tree. Minnie Mouse. And we got this right here. I think we just got this today. It says, I believe Santa is coming in 22 days now. Today's December the 31st. I mean, December the 3rd. Outside now with the outside decorations. I had these a couple years now. They still look brand new as if I just bought them. The solar panel lights, we have that one. The Santa stop here. They're guided to the path to the door. As you can see. Got this flag. Got one at the road. It's a red Christmas truck at the road. This one has red robins on it. Up in here we have this little vehicle. I don't know what it's called. Seat and greeting sign. We change this out every day with different signs. This right here. This has a door. When you open the door, it makes that type of noise. This is the kitchen window. We have stuff on the kitchen window. We have a camper. That's why it's called a camper. Christmas tree. Another camper. Red truck with a Christmas tree and a snowman on the back. Season greetings and snowflakes. As you're walking away from the house, you have this Merry Christmas sign. We're gonna add more to it. The more we find, the more we add. The welcome sign I told you that changed out. Last time you saw the sign, it was a Halloween pumpkin jack-o'-lantern on it. It has a snowman on it now. Got this rug from Dollar Tree, I think. Find us some chicken with a leg, thighs. Are they all thighs? Got all thighs. Got some greens on in the back, some French greens on in the back. Corn on the cob. I think we're making spaghetti. I'm making traditional spaghetti or we're making Alfredo. They make traditional spaghetti. Yeah, Brianna in the cut over here. I don't know what she doing.
I was trying to find if there was some good flavors to make. Because I always drink this.
If y'all see that picture right there, I made those last year. You can go out and try those for this year's Christmas holidays. Put on your Christmas table.
They're good if you like brownies.
And it's also a fun little thing to do with your kids on a snowy day. Got this new one up right now. It's red and gray. It says just beat it. Get it. This boy right here made a pan of cornbread. Let's see how it looks.
Oh, yeah, I made it. Golden brown, not brown like some people.
Tomorrow we're making taco soup, so stay tuned for that video. I might do a recipe on it, I might not. Leave it down below in the comments if you want me to do a recipe for the taco soup. We make it all the time when it gets cold. It's really good and it goes well paired with some corn chips, sour cream, and some cheese. Sharp cheddar cheese, mild cheese, whatever you prefer. You can even put pepper jack in it. But that's your business. We got the spaghetti sauce going now. Chicken almost done. The first batch of chicken is almost done. When it starts to float, you know it's almost done. You put it on the bed? Yeah. What you mean?
I told her. I'm just eating spaghetti. I ain't saying about no chicken.
Spaghetti, what is this? The corn? Oh, yeah, corn.
What's up, you two? There's your boy, Trey Boy.
Bree, she sauteing up some vegetables for us like this.
For myself.
Greens starting to come together. Chicken finally done.
And this is softly seasoned.
It's what?
Softly seasoned. Because I had baked myself some fish while y'all are going to be eating that greasy fried chicken.
What you do? Watch your figure.
Cross my figure.
The corn. Seen the cornbread earlier. Spaghetti noodles and the sauce. Really soggy up in here. We got this cloth on here. You probably saw it in my last vlog. Do I was cooking on it around this time of the year? Need a cloth.